Hello everyone, it is Shamila again here, and I got another paperback from Cake Crafts. In fact, I've had it a while. I just haven't had a chance to actually go through this paperback yet. And I've never received or purchased from this paper range yet. So La Paper, Stardust, or Le Paper, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But I ordered a few of these just to see what they look like, and to see whether I would be interested in them. And I like to know what I'm supplying my clients, so I always do a preview first, and then I show you and you decide whether you like it or not. So I see lots of things that's interesting me already. Those look, that particular one looks very interesting. So let me open this up and see what's going on inside. Oh wow, this is a stunning page. Okay, now I'm not sure which way to use this phone, man, honestly. I don't know if this portrait way is better or the landscape. I think the landscape works because we're getting in the full sheet of paper. So let's go through this page. We've got stars, a galaxy, and there are some stunning colors in here. We've got very dark blues going to like a maroony color there, and then it fades up and goes lighter with some bits of white in between. This is actually really a beautiful page. It's proudly made in South Africa, and I just want to feel the consistency of the paper. It's quite a thick board, nice smooth card. Oh, and it's single-sided. Does it say so? Oh, it's 10 single-sided sheets. See, I didn't even read the cover. 10 single-sided sheets. Okay, so lots of you ladies, you don't like to stick down the double-sided papers, so maybe the single-sided ones are better. There's a lovely stripe page. And I'm really loving the distressed detail. You know me by now, I'm a distressed girl. So I'm loving the distressed detail in the background there. Very, very nice. Stunning. So now I feel like I'm missing out. I don't have to turn the page. Oh, I like this one. Oh gosh. Love this one. The colors in here, they're all like tonal, so they should work very well together. Look how lovely those look together. And then if I bring this one over, look at that one. See that same colors in here, and it flows through there, so they complement each other beautifully. Right, see what's next. Oh, look at that. Stardust number 4. That's stunning. That is stunning. So we've got like splatter detail in here that goes from the dark, or shall I say wine color maybe, and then we've got something that resembles a bit of not purple, like grays, and then goes up into, actually, you know, the light here is not showing up the color very well, because this has got like a purpley hue to it. Let me see if I lift it. There we go. That's better. That is much better. Look at that. Stunning. Oh, look at the one below. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. So we've got the moon there. I really love this this distressing on this page is just so nice. Look at that. And what are those? I'm not sure what that is actually. Looks like shards of glass. Ooh. But that moon is beautiful. Look at that. And I think this might be a double page layout here. Let me just put this out here and raise it so you can see. I think so. Looks like it was meant to be, because we've got the same flowers over here. And then if I pan over, so the distressing continues, and then we've got that same or similar flower cluster on, oopsie, on the other side. Very nice. So that is 5 and 6. So they've kept it simple with just with numbers. Stardust 5 and 6. Oh, the cloud page is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's just stunning. Lovely. This is such a beautiful color combination. Okay, maybe I must be honest, I'm partial to pinks and lilacs, so maybe that's why I'm loving it so much. I don't know, but that color there on top, it's not blue, it's not purple, it's just something pretty. And look at that cloud. Ooh, feel like you can bounce on it. Crackle. That is lovely. So Stardust number 8 gives you like a crackle finish, and it also runs from like light grays and it goes up, gets progressively darker, and that's the darkest part there on top. Very nice. Oh, journaling sheet. Let's see. So this says, the summer night has a smile of light and it's on a sapphire throne. Oh, so maybe those were gems in the other page. I thought so. I didn't want to commit in case that sounds stupid. And there's some more here. Keep on dreaming. There's some more of those gemstone elements there. I love this quote that says, shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. That, I mean, just think about it. Just landing among the stars. Sounds so cool. A dream is a wish your heart makes. How lovely. That's beautiful. And, oh, this is nice. Look at that border. Well, there's 4 borders. Let's go closer. So we've got clouds, we've got a starry sky, we've got one that says moonlights, and we have those gemstones. And then we've got some quotes on top there. Those are really nice for photo captions. Oh, look at that ticket. Since Tim Holtz came out with these tickets, I just love tickets. I love tickets. There's a word dream. I would have liked to have had the dream have a border or something, which would have made it easier to cut. But I suppose you could die cut it. Just thinking for those people who don't have a die cutter yet, it would have been nice to have just a black border to give it some definition of where you can cut. But those are lovely. Moon and stars, look at that fire, and look at the feathers. Gorgeous. Who needs sleep? Look at the stars. Oh, this will be cool for a camping trip also, for some nighttime photos. So this is La Papier or Le Paper Stardust collection, and I think it's cool. I think for all those people who don't want to cut up a double-sided sheet of paper, you will be happy to know there's nothing on the other side. I have no idea what this retails for. I will have to check. But if pinks and purples and pops of green or jade is your thing, colors of wine, red wine is your thing, if distressing is your thing, I mean, this will make such a cool background on a card even. Then this paper might be something that you would like. Now, what did I do with that cover sheet now? Always nice to end off with the cover sheet. There we go. La paper, le paper. I have to get that right. Someone needs to tell me how you pronounce that. Le Paper Stardust Collection, proudly made in South Africa. Available countrywide, I'm sure. And that's it from me. Have a lovely evening. Bye now.